Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited for this video. So we ordered a litter and you don't see it because it's out of frame, but it's pretty much a where the cats go and poopy and pee pee, okay? Right there, look, right there. Look at the cat, please keep it like that, it's fine. Thank you, cameraman. Apparently I have a cameraman now. Anyway, that's something new. I'm not paying them. I have all the services for that. Anyway, I don't know how to use this. So just like slim it and then I'm a demonstration of this. Just be careful in the alleyways. I'm joking. Do you see that strand right there? Nailed it. Okay, so are you peeing? I can't see from here. So that's obviously Kit Kat. If you don't know, she's the crackhead of the house. Obviously. I didn't. Oh no. Anyway. So this is the most interesting thing of all of it, obviously. So, my cameraman may need to step in here because I can't pick this. Just like that, this also be my hand. I'm a mysterious human. Oh yeah, this is the litter we chose. Why? I don't know. Cheaper litter I can find. My cat doesn't care. They just want the pot, the flower pot thing that is in there. So let's get into discovering that. Right? Having a camera guy behind the camera really helps because I'm not that strong or intelligent. Probably this is not gonna go as well as planned. So I want to do more like this in the future, like pet related unboxing. So if you have any ideas, just let me know. Anyway, oh, I'm so strong. You know who would like this box? The crackhead. Oh. Anyway, it's coming. Okay, it's been. You see, I can't stand up for other reasons, so that's why I'm sitting down. I am lazy, that's the other reason. Okay. That took much more effort than I had to. For an asthmatic like me. Okay. Oh my gosh! This is the box. Thanks for watching, guys. No, seriously, this. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna leave this down below. Cost me $90, this motherfucking liquor box. So it better be good. Oh, quality. I should have not done that. Oh my god. Give me a second, please. We'll be right back with you guys. So, it comes with this. That may be a hazard for my cats. And obviously, wait, is this the bottom? This is the, okay, yeah. This is the top half. Passing it to my person here to put it up for me. Meanwhile, I speak from something else. I have a sponsor, and I'm gonna give you my code. Just give me a second. It's pet related, okay? This is the bottom. I think you need to fluff it out. I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. Don't forget this. My cameraman is moving the camera. I don't know why. Probably needs more space. Yeah. So now you get the box. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. So meanwhile, my camera guy is doing whatever. I'm gonna talk to you about my sponsor. So thank you for my camera guy for working on this. Meanwhile, I was doing some bullshit thing to you guys. This is the finishing touch of the litter box. It was $90. I put the link down in the description. I believe it's worth the money because at the end of the day, it's discreet. I'm gonna put a photo right here on what our current litter is at the moment. It's in the middle of the living room. It looks bad. People know the cats go there. So this is kind of, to show people that we don't own cats apparently. So yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. Comment below, share it with friends, family, your pets, because this is a pet related video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.